Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a tail light on 2009 Chevy Colorado. I have a broken tail light here, and therefore today I'm going to be replacing this tail light with a new one. So to replace this tail light, all you need is, according to this vehicle, all you need is a screwdriver, because there will be one screw right here. I'll show you. There is one screw right there, and another one supposed to be going right there. Let me show you on this side. Yes, there is one here and another one right inside there. So two screws. So you need a Phillips screwdriver. In this case I'm going to be using my DeWatt. And talking of DeWatt, I have a new product. If you have any DeWatt product that uses a battery, I want to show you a new battery that will still fit on a DeWatt. I received a package here. Let's open it up. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, or if you're still a regular viewer and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, and I would really appreciate your support. So these guys, they make batteries just like this one here for the watt. This is a DeWatt battery. Sometimes they are very expensive in case your battery is dead and you need to replace with a new one. So let's see the alternative here. There we go. It's a 20 volt 6-hour lithium ion. You would think it's a DeWatt, but it's not. Make sure you check on the description and let's see whether it will fit here on the DeWatt driver. Perfect. Testing it out. It's working perfectly. Actually, the kit came with the two of them, just in case you're running out. You want to have one charging while you're using the other one. That way you never stop working. You'll be working 24/7 with the two battery, because one charging, one run out, you go get the one that is charging, you swap it out. And good thing it has somewhere you can check how much charge you have. This one is already full. Same thing with this one. Let me test the other one. Perfect. So make sure you check on the description where you can buy these batteries. They'll be relatively cheaper than the DeWatt battery. This one is 20 volt, but I think this is 2 amp hours. I think it is 2 amp hours. The new one is coming here giving you option of 6 amp hours. So make sure, don't forget to check it out on the description. Otherwise, let's continue. Go ahead and replace that headlight. Oh, headlight. Here is a new tail light. After removing that screw, I believe now this thing is ready to come out. Here we go. From here we need to disconnect all the bulbs counterclockwise. You turn counterclockwise to release like that. And here comes out the broken piece. The new one, you just need to remove this protecting cover. Perfect. Just start by putting the bulb back in the place. Just remove the tabs. Clockwise to lock it in place. Just like so. And we have all three locked in place. So the next, you make sure you line up these tabs on the back here to these holes. So make sure the hole on the bulb, on the housing, is you're able to line it up here because of installing the screw. This part here didn't have, it wasn't having any screws, so I just find one of the leftovers. I hope it will work. Make sure you go easy. Probably need a washer because the hole is too big. That is how you install the tail light on Chevy Colorado. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Check out a link on the description for the tools that I've been using on this video. Again, my name is Jeff Carbuoy. Stay tuned.